guys, so today is Friday and it is the day where Patrick and I pick up the keys. I'm so excited. I feel like I've been waiting for this time for such a long time, but it passed by quickly. It's a strange feeling, you guys. But yeah, I'm just waiting for him to come pick me up so we can go get those keys. I don't know why I keep looking away from the camera. I filmed this like already, but I noticed that I kept looking away and it looked a little bit strange. So I'm trying to make eye contact with you guys, but I don't know, my eyes are always looking elsewhere. It's strange. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do more eye contact with you guys. But yeah, the game plan for today is basically pick up the keys and then we're going to buy some furniture. In the meantime, I've also packed like a suitcase, if you guys can see over there. There's some cleaning products as well as some like few bits and bobs for my kitchen, and I have like brought some toilet paper, you know, the main necessities for staying at a place. We're not officially moving there. I still have the rest of my furniture and my bed and the majority of my boxes still here, but we wanted to move some stuff today as well so that Sunday moving day is not super chaotic and it doesn't take that much time. So yeah, I will show you guys once we get the new place. I'm so excited. So we're just having breakfast before we pick up the keys. So I got a smoked salmon bagel and Patrick got a cream cheese, hot chocolate, cappuccino. And there you go. So we made it and we got our keys. I think so already there. Alright guys. So welcome to our place. Alright, so we are at the new place. Let me show you guys around, do a little empty apartment tour. So yeah, this is when you enter. I'm gonna switch over the camera. So yeah, this is when you enter. I'll give you guys a brief little overview of the place. Like I said, it's a 3.5. It's small, it's in the city, so it's not that big. But when you enter, you have the bathroom over here. And it's great because there's the storage, which is good. Did you see this drawer? It's a strange little like U letter, but yeah. And then you have another storage over here. Then there's a good amount of bathrooms. Yeah, there's this huge like medicine.
For all your meds and pills?
No, this is probably gonna be like my skincare products and makeup. But yeah, and then you have the bathroom over here. Patrick absolutely wanted a bathtub, so we chose the unit with a bathtub. And there's some place for like shampoos and stuff. And there's a nice shower head over there. And then when you go here, you have my jacket because I had nowhere else to hang it. And then this is the best part. It is a in-unit washer and dryer. Finally, this is the thing that I'm most excited about because I've never had one for the past 7 years that I've been living on my own. So yeah, that's really exciting. And then you have the thing to control the temperature. And then you have I don't know, I guess I'm excited. I'm lost of words. So this is the little kitchen. It's an open concept, which is great for when we have people over. This is the fridge over here. It's a nice, good sized fridge for 2 people. There's a designated wine rack over here, which is cool. And yeah, there's a lot of storage. Even though it's a small kitchen, there's a lot of storage, which is great. You have the freezer over here, which is good because there's drawers. I'm just breaking everything. It's good because the freezer, look, it has drawers, so you could like separate like meat and stuff. Yeah. Then more storage over here. You have the stove. They left us with like a little sample thing for cleaning products, which is great. The microwave is huge. Look at this. Like, wow. More storage over there. Anything else here? Yeah, and it goes up to the ceiling, the storage, which is great, but I'm definitely gonna need to buy like a little ladder over here. That's great. And one of the sweetest things, they left us with a little, I guess this is a sparkling wine bottle. And this is the sink, dishwasher, which is great. Patrick is playing around with this stuff over there. And like I said, it's an open concept, so this is probably where our, like, we're gonna put a dining table over here. The couch is gonna go over here, and there's like a little, I guess, nook for a desk over here. And yeah, the balcony is still being completed, so it's not completely done. And then this is gonna be a really quick apartment tour because our place is small. Then you have the bedroom, which is teeny tiny, but it's fine. It's manageable. Yeah, the best part also is that we have a huge walk-in closet, which is great. Because between me and Patrick, we both have a lot of things to bring over here, so it's a good size. And yeah, this is the balcony. And yeah, I think they still need to fix the lighting, but yeah, I'm excited. This is the new place. So yeah, we're just looking for like a place to put our TV. Maybe this one. We saw something else earlier, but we're not sure. But yeah, Structube has a lot of nice stuff here. And we're just looking for furniture. We're actually looking for a console table. Yeah, we're gonna need something around like this.
I think I'm gonna like this one better.
So we're thinking about this couch instead of the IKEA one. It's pretty much the same thing. Like it's gray as well, and it's a sofa bed, and there's that storage. But I don't know. This one looks a little bit nicer and more comfortable. And you see, it becomes bed. So now we're not even sure what to get.
And it turns into the bed like really easily.
Yeah.
Like it's not like you know how before you have to fight with stuff and do it?
Yeah. I don't know, you guys. I guess we'll have to go back to IKEA now. So we didn't end up buying anything from Structube because now I think we're even more confused than when we actually walked in, because now we don't know if you want to change couch, as you guys saw in the last clip. So, you like which one? Yeah, it's kind of, like I said, it has the same principle as the IKEA one. It just looks a little nicer in our opinion. I'm not sure. But we're going to Marshall's right now. We have to buy like shower curtains and
bathroom mats.
And bath mats. Hey guys, so we're back at the place. We are running a load of dishes right now, and we're about to assemble our first piece of furniture. It's some dining chairs. I don't know how to fix this, but apparently it could go up with a push of a button. So we're gonna assemble the chairs to see. I don't know. But anyways, I thought I would do a time lapse of us assembling these chairs. Hey guys, so it is almost 1 in the morning, and as you guys can see, I look very, very bad. Oh my god, this day was really long, really exciting, but really tiring. I'm only now getting home. I'm still sleeping at my old place just because my bed is still here, and most of my furniture is still here. But I decided to go back after Patrick and I left to bring some more things, because I don't know if I mentioned this, but Sunday I'm moving my furnitures, and I just wanted that to go quickly, so I wanted to try to bring as much stuff as possible before. But yeah, so I brought my stuff. I had like my whole car filled up, and of course they were cleaning the garage that was the access point to my my building, so it was even harder. I had to like park and then go outside, and I had to park and then walk outside to my building. And I know that doesn't seem like really bad, but when you're carrying a bunch of stuff, it's pretty annoying. And at that point it was already almost close to midnight, so I told myself I would go home. And you know, it was only a quick 20-minute drive. Well, it's supposed to be, but they decided to do a roadblock. I don't know if they do this in every city, probably, but like they were stopping cars randomly to see if they were drinking. So they would like ask you to roll down your window, and if something's suspicious, they'd ask you to go. But then I look young, so the police officer obviously stopped me, and he was asking where I came from, and I told him I was moving, and he was like, well, where are your stuff? And I'm like, I just finished putting them in my new place. And he was like, well, where are you going now? So anyways, he was nice, but yeah, I'm just so tired. I'm ready to wash off my makeup, go to sleep, and then tomorrow I have to be up really early as well, because they are installing the internet at my new place. I don't even make sense anymore, you guys. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I wanted to also document this time because I wanted to show you guys my old apartment, and I wish I could show you guys the place